Boyfriend is so lucky. He could eat Bilat every night.
Wow, sana all.
Tell him.
Sana all. Alright guys, kumusta mong tanan ano? Again, my name is Mayordodong sa mga wala pa kailan ako. I do double meaning design interviews as well as mga vlog and of course mga reaction videos. Mag-uban mga videos basta kaya na ito buhaton sa camera ito na syempre buhaton. And before na ito nisugdan guys no, I would like to say thank you kay Jibesa Honrado sa naghatag aning si tawag aning gitawag ni nila og Torb Mask. Malisod kog sulti. Tawag sa og Torb Mask na siya headband para sa mga kutoon. Para ang kuto magtapok mo siyang purpose. And napud siya mask, oo, para sa mga bog ba para at least dili siya mukatag. So it for only 79 pesos. Gusto magpalit aning product, seller nasa comment section or na lang ninyo after watching this video. So for today's videos guys no, simple lang katong buhaton. Si Lexilor nag-upload na sad siya kaganina eating Filipino bilat. First time daw niya. And kana na sa itong buhatan og reaction video. This is the second time na buhatan nato si Lexilor og reaction videos na sad sayahang mga gipangkaon nga mga Filipino dishes. So sugdan na nato ning reaction video niya yang video nga eating Filipino bilat niya nga video.
Ginagawa mo.
Ay nako na. Panigid si Lexilor bito kay pabadlong kaayo. Okay.
Hi guys, it's Lexilor, and today
Hi Lexilor.
I'm eating Bilat. So you guys told me and requested it so many times that I try Bilat for the first time. Apparently it's this Filipino version of this
Filipino version.
fishy kind of sushi, super juicy. Have you guys ever had Bilat? Tell me in the chat.
Kani bitaw si Lexilor mo kay badlong yung kayo.
First time eating Bilat. Kind of smells like fish, but it's vegan.
What are you doing, step bro?
Solid Filipino.
Solid Filipino. It's ano day siya, it's a juicy, fishy Filipino sushi ang kuan. Ang tawag niya ang bilat. Buang-buang. Okay.
Just a taste. Had Bilat before you guys.
Ay, wala na siya katry. Wow. Marunong.
What are you doing, step bro?
Marunong.
Wet.
Wet.
Warm. Really fishy.
Langsa di ay. Hey girls, langsa di girls.
Pookie or puky?
Oh, pookie. It's pookie.
Does it mean seafood?
Nanas na ng seafood. Bapo ba si Lexilor ba?
Some nasty, juicy, warm, wet, crabless cakes.
Abi na kong bilat na sa din sorry.
Have you guys ever had crab cakes before or Bilat? Chef now. This might be a YouTube thing.
Ay, lahi ra gyud. Chef na si ano karon. Bantog wala na siya mga bagong video sa Pornhub kay chef na rin siya.
You really like my Bilat. Thank you so much, Ortiz. Hero Ortiz. Thank you that you love my Bilat. I'm just now showing it to you for the first time.
I like yours.
Okay. His favorite food is called Bilat, is what you guys are telling me in the chat. I believe that.
Nanasad niya siya.
Come on, you guys love Bilat. I heard all about it. When I tried my Oten for the first time, all of you guys were saying, now you gotta try Bilat. And I never have. I mean, I'm totally new to this.
Love.
You love oten? Me too. I love oten. I think oten is my favorite food. Yeah, I don't know about this stuff. It's really fishy, but something about it just makes me want to keep going back to it. I know you know what oten means. Oten means a big, fat, warm, juicy, long sausage. I know exactly what oten means. I'm learning all about the Filipino language. And that's why today I'm trying Bilat. Tell me guys in the comments, what do you want to see me try next? How can you buy Bilat? Well, I mean, it's pretty much on every corner. You know, you just gotta know the right people, call the right numbers.
Call the right numbers.
Go to the right stores, and you can buy it. That's the best part about it. You can just buy it. My Bilat, it smells horrible.
Balik.
I do not like seafood, you guys.
Lata naman siguro ng imo Alexi.
Alright. What do you guys think? Do you think Bilat is yummy and juicy, or do you think it's disgusting and smelly? So I feel like this is a whole debate in the Philippines. Betlog. See, I heard that betlog is like these big, juicy, warm balls. Like meatballs. But I'm gonna make a vegan version probably. Yeah, betlog is meatballs is what I was told. Big meatballs. They told me that in the Philippines you cook like bigger portions, like bigger food, like bigger than American, like bigger oten in the Philippines. So I feel like I really need to go to the Philippines to get like the real experience.
Oy, present. Lexilor ako na lang.
Some more yummy Bilat. Nice and fishy.
What are you doing, step-bro?
Someone said, ew, yuck. What, you don't like Bilat? You don't like fishy Bilat?
Yuck.
You guys are crazy. Who doesn't love fishy Bilat? I mean, it's like some shrimp delights. It's great. I'm getting all messy. It's like all over my hands and face.
Hello. Inana good.
At first I was like, ew, this is awful. Like, why would anyone like this? And now I'm like, think to me.
Ay, wala. Ano? Takuan yung kamong, uy.
Oten plus betlog equals more yummy. That is absolutely right, ABC Def.
More yummy.
Try a Filipino milk called tamad. I've heard that tastes really gross, but it's like full of protein and it's nice and warm.
Full of protein daw ang
It goes really good
Philippine
with
milk.
Who wants to watch me flip my wet Bilat?
Antico.
Ginagawa mo.
Does anyone want to flip my Bilat for me? Bilat right over. Gonna try to be fine.
Pak na sad.
Betlog is boiled egg. Well, I heard that it's a big, juicy, warm meatball. You guys can't fool me. You think you fooled me once, you won't fool me again. I know exactly what Bilat is.
Oh, marunong na si Lexi. Lumalaban na. So, dili na giday ninyo mailad si Lexi. Kay kabalo na giday siya sa mga terms. Murag nasulob naman yung sinina sa iyahang isa ka episode sa Pornhub.
Tamad is next.
Kana.
Next live vlog, drinking Tolos. That means Coca-Cola. I love Coca-Cola. Someone said your wife is so lucky. Yeah, my wife has a beard.
Wife?
Your boyfriend is so lucky. He could eat Bilat every night.
Wow, sana all.
Right.
Sana all.
Really?
Sana all, Lexi Lord. Ay nako. Anyway guys, atangin ninyo ang sunod video na sa Dilexilor. Ang iyang pagkaon og betlog kanan sa atong Tagalog reaction video. Again guys, no, my name is Mayor Dodong. So kita-kits uli sa ato ang next reaction video. Bye!